Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation that just helps to give ourselves an energetic cleansing and balancing. It's so useful and helpful for our energetic system. For those who are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Shannon. I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to help you incorporate crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And these guided meditations are an opportunity to practice using crystals and gemstones in a meaningful way in your life to manifest change and to improve the quality of your life. If you have been watching my videos and you find them useful, then please do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I post 4 videos a week about how crystals and gemstones can really help support you in your current life situations. And today, we are going to do a guided meditation designed specifically to help rejuvenate you, to help you feel a little more awake and revitalized, because sometimes we just feel off and we don't know why. We feel off balance, off kilter, maybe a little bit lethargic, and we're not sure why. We've gotten enough sleep, we've been eating well, we haven't had too much sugar or too much coffee. Things seem to be going well, but we just feel not quite there. And this happens sometimes when the energy flow in our body isn't flowing smoothly. And that can happen sometimes when maybe some energy has built up in our system and it's causing a block somewhere, or the energy has just gotten stagnant. And sitting with these crystals and gemstones will help dissolve those energetic blocks, just really give you a sense of cleansing, like when you've taken a really good shower, or how it smells when you go outside after a really good rain and everything smells clean. That is what this guided meditation offers. The gemstones that I will be using today are kyanite, fluorite, green aventurine, although any member of the aventurine family will work, and turquoise. And you do not have to have one of these gemstones or any gemstone today to benefit from this guided meditation. It will still work with you. But if you are holding one of the gemstones that helps with this scenario, then it will just work a little quicker, a little more effective for you right off the bat. So if you have your gemstone, or if you don't and you're ready to get going, then all you'll need is a comfortable seat. So that can be on a cushion, on the floor, in a chair, or directly on the ground outside. Just as long as you can stay alert and comfortable for about 10 minutes while we go through this guided meditation. So if you have your comfortable seat and you're ready to begin, then let's get started. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. Just bring your attention to your breathing and what it feels like to breathe right now. And then if you have a gemstone for this meditation, whichever one you've chosen, then put that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energies from the gemstone today. And then moving your awareness from your breathing to those places on your body that are touching the chair or the ground beneath you. And remembering that you are sitting on top of the entire earth, directly over this center. And this planet, it is supporting you. And you have access to all of the energy of the earth right here, right beneath you. And it will support and protect you during this guided meditation today. And so imagine a bright white star is shining above you, and its light is raining down upon you. And then breathe in this white energy. Allowing it to fill your physical and energetic body. This energy gathers in your navel area, just behind your belly button. It accumulates there and grows. And imagine that this energy builds up from your navel, from your belly area, and just expands so brightly, even beyond your physical body. And any energy blocks that you have in your system, they are being dissolved by this bright light. And these blocks, they can come to your mind as areas of shadow in your body, or physical barriers, or places that feel heavy or numb. See if anything like that comes to your mind. If any of these arise, just allow this bright white energy in your body to dissolve it. As it is dissolved, then exhale it out. It is completely okay if you're not able to imagine anything, but just know that this energy is doing its work and that it will dissolve anything that might have accumulated in your system that is causing your energy to not flow properly. Now that these barriers have dissolved, the stagnant energy is now gone. Now imagine as you inhale, picture the energy in your body flowing up the front of your body. And as you exhale, it flows down the back of your body. As you inhale, it flows up. And as you exhale, it flows down. And for the next couple of minutes, just picture this energy flow. As you inhale and as you exhale. And then release the images of this white energy. Knowing that your energy is flowing smoothly now. And if you're feeling a little dizzy, a little full of energy right now, then know that you could just release any excess energy out into the earth. And it will gladly accept any excess so that you feel balanced, so that you have just enough. And then just come back to your breathing. Just your natural, regular breathing. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today for this guided meditation to really clear and balance your energy flow. And I'm hoping that after this meditation that you're really feeling rejuvenated and vitalized, and you're feeling a little bit more balanced and centered and able to move forward with your day. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you've been watching my videos and you have found them useful, then make sure to share them with others. And if you are new to the channel, then I talk about a new gemstone every single week and how you can really manifest some life change to help support you during practical everyday life situations. So thank you again for joining me today, and I really appreciate you watching, and I will see you again during the next video. Thank you so much.